Welcome to our YouTube channel students, e-learning hub by Udgam Welfare Foundation. Students, in this video we are going to discuss case study number 2 on 3D geometry for grade 12 student. Now let's move forward and discuss our case study number 2 on 3-dimensional geometry. So student, this is our case study number 2 on 3D geometry. An aircraft navigation system is being designed to ensure safe flight paths over a mountainous region. A radar station is located at the point P, which is 1, 2, 3, and a signal beacon is at Q 4, 6, 7. The aircraft's flight path is along a line passing through P with direction ratios this. A restricted air space plane is defined by 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 5. Engineers need to determine the direction cosines of the flight path, the equation of the path, the angle between the path and the line PQ, the distance of the beacon from the plane, and the conditions for coplanarity with another flight path to avoid collisions. For a ready reference, I have mentioned the key formulas and properties to find direction and equation of a line, angle between two lines, distance from a point to a plane. So these are the important key formulas and properties which you can refer. Also, you should memorize all these properties and the formulas here so that it is going to help you out in your upcoming board exam. Now, on the basis of this particular case study, I have prepared 5 MCQs as per the board standard. Now let's move forward and discuss our first MCQ based on this case study. So student, here comes our question number 1 based on this particular case study, which state what are the direction cosines of the flight path with direction ratios this 1, minus 2 and 2. As we have discussed also in our previous case study, also we have mentioned this particular formula in our present case study, and we can easily find out by using this formula, root over 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Similarly, minus 2 over root over 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, and 2 over root over 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. And we can say that this is simplified to 2 to the 4, 4, 8 plus 1, 9. That is root over 9, comma, minus 2 over root over 9 and 2 over root over 9 again. We can further simplify this to 1 upon 3, comma, minus 2 upon 3, comma, 2 upon 3. And our option number A is the correct answer here. Now let's move towards question number 2. So student, here comes our question number 2, which is state what is the Cartesian equation of the flight path passing through this point 1, 2, 3 with direction ratios 1, minus 2 and 2. Such type of question we have already discussed in our case study number 1. And let's understand the formula. X minus x1 upon A is equal to y minus y1 upon B is equal to z minus z1 upon C, where x1, y1 and z1 are the point through which it is passing, and A, B, C are the direction ratios here. Now x1, y1, z1 are nothing but 1, 2, 3, and direction ratios obviously 1, minus 2 and 2. Hence our required equation will be x minus 1 over 1 is equal to y minus 2 over minus 2 and z minus 3 upon 2 here. So this is our required equation. Now let's match with our given options here, x minus 1 upon 1, y minus 2 and z minus 3. Hence we can say that option number A is the correct answer here. Now let's move towards question number 3. So here comes our question number 3, which state what is the distance from the beacon Q. This is the point basically to the plane. So we need to find the distance of this particular point from this particular plane. So here we have a formula which states the distance D is equal to here thrice of A minus y into B plus 2 into C minus 5 over root over 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. Very simple, and this we have discussed in our previous case study as well. So 3 into A is nothing but 4, so 3 into 4 is 12, minus y is nothing but 1 and B is nothing but 6. So 1 into 6 is 6 plus 2 into C, 2 into C, 7 to the 14, minus 5 upon root over 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 13. So our answer will be what? 12 minus 6 6, 14 plus 6 20, 20 minus 5 is 15. 15 over root 13 is our correct answer here. Now if we match our options, then we can see that option number C is our correct answer here. Now let's move towards question number 4. So here comes our question number 4, which states what is the angle between the flight path and the line joining these two points. So here we need to first check this part, the flight path, which comes from our previous question. So here I have pasted this question for your ready reference. Here it is given that the direction ratio of the flight path is 1 minus 2 and 2. So we can simply write it here, 1 minus 2 and 2 is the direction of the flight path. Now we need to find the direction of PQ. So direction of PQ is given by what? 4 minus 1 is 3, 6 minus 2 is 4 and 7 minus 3 is 4. Now we can simply find the angle cos theta, which is given by 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 4 into 2 upon root over 3 square plus 4 square plus 4 square into root over 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So which is given by 3 minus 8 plus 8 here. So it got cancelled. So 3 over root over 16, 4 4 16, 32, 32 plus 9 is 41 into 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9 is root 3. So this is basically nothing but 3 over root 41 into root 3. So this is our correct answer here. So this is our correct answer, which is 3 over root 41 into 3, and which is not matching our options, or if we can say that this option is quite closer, 3 over root 41 into root 9. We can say that our correct answer is option number C. Now let's move towards question number 4. So student, this is our next question, which is question number 5. What is the condition for the flight path to be coplanar with another line passing through these 2 points? So as we know, the condition for coplanarity for 3 direction ratios can be found out by using 4 6 7 by making a determinant of 3 by 3, obviously 2 1 minus 1 1 minus 2 and 2, where 1 minus 2 and minus 2 we have taken from our previous question, which is the flight path here, which is equal to 0. Now we can simply compare our answer with the given options. Hence we can say that option number C is the correct answer here. So students, that was the last question of this particular case study, which was case study number 2. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. I have also prepared the 1 marker online test on all the chapters for grade 12 students, and these tests are going to enhance your skill how to tackle 1 marker question in the upcoming board exams. These tests are free of cost and available on our website, which is udgamwelfarefoundation.com, and I am going to share the link in the description box. You can simply access these tests by a simple login. We are going to meet in our next videos, in which we are going to discuss more case studies on this particular chapter. Till then, goodbye and take care.